Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'm happy you're here today because I got something for you. I got a little special something I've been cooking up for you. All right, come over here. Come bring that over here. All right, we already have the oven going. Okay, it's on a nice little 4.5. We're going to cook an egg for you today. We got ingredients: egg, and that's it. Okay, now go back. This is going to be fucking delicious. Okay, so that's been going for a nice little minute there. Okay, and you can know when it's going and good and done whenever you hear a nice little sound in the oven, probably because the oven's about to go out, but that's okay. You're going to take your vegetable oil here, okay? You're going to get a nice little capful right here, okay? I don't usually use more than a cap. That's good right there. That's about how much you want, okay? That's nice and delicious right there. And you know it's good when it's all over your fucking hand. That's when it's fucking nice and delicious. You just want to wipe off some of that excess olive oil, vegetable oil. You're not going to need that, okay? Just what you already have in the pan. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to let that cook for just a second, okay? You're going to take your egg here, okay? Maybe rub some of that olive oil on it. It's already on your hand, some of that excess. All right, now what you're going to want to do, you just want to drop it in that pan. You just want to drop it right in there. All right, now I know this might look weird, and you're used to it already being done when it gets to your plate, but this is how the professionals do it. This is how everyone I've ever known always cooks their eggs. Ever since I was young, and my, grandpappy, had me over at his farm, this is always how it's been done. Grandpappy always got the egg from the roosters, and, used to really just get me excited about waking up in the morning on the farm, okay? So you're going to want to let that cook for a minute, Let that cook. Okay, alrighty, now it's time for some salt. Some tasty ass salt. There we go. Oh, yum. Put some of that salt in there, not too much seasoning, just a single egg. And there's always a question how much salt, how much pepper you put in something. Well, I always say just keep going until you think it's enough. You don't want to stop, honestly. Honestly, you just want to keep it going just until you think there's just been enough in there, okay? Very important, take that spatula. You want to move that egg around the vegetable oil. Kroger brand vegetable oil, pure vegetable oil, right from my grandpappy's farm. Right from his farm. You want to just roll that egg around that vegetable oil, just right there. Do you hear that sound? That's the sound of a cooking egg. It's cooking all right. I'm gonna get a plate somewhere. Oh, I got a nice little plate over here. Nice little plate ready for an egg, I'll lay that egg down right there. Alright, we're going to let it cook for a few more minutes. We're going to turn around just a few more times. Just a touch. Just right there. Just so you start clicking in and get that sound you're looking for right there. You want to listen, of course. That's the sound of the oven about to go out. That's wonderful. That means your egg's probably done. Alright, so we're just going to gently, you just want to gently get that egg right there. Delicious. Get that shit down there. Want to turn off that fucking oven. Don't want to burn that house down. Just want to roll a little bit, but that's okay. That's okay. We're going to bring that egg on over here. Right there. Okay. The fruits of my labor is really about to pay off. Alright, got some orange juice here. And I want you to come closer. I want you to listen to this. Oh, did you hear that sound? If you didn't, it made a nice clicking sound. That's how you know it's fresh, right from the farm, right from Grandpappy's farm. We're just going to fill this up, because nothing goes with your fresh egg than a nice glass of orange juice. Let's be honest here, I strongly recommend giving this to your children before they go to school in the mornings, perhaps. Quarantine's going on right now. Life's rough for everyone. This is a nice, easy breakfast for y'all to prepare, for y'all to make in the morning. All right, now we got to decide what knife we want here. Not that one. That one's gay. All right. Oh, I can't say that. All right, we're just gonna get in here now. It's gonna be tasty. Just gonna